Hello friends, you are welcome to my YouTube channel NB English Tutorial. In this video, I am going to talk about the basics of literature like its definition, source, necessity and objectives along with its types. So now let's start. Definition of literature. Literature in a broader terms refers to the writing considered to be any art form or any single writing having its artistic or intellectual value. Literature is any kind of art or writing that must contain its artistic qualities. Next, literature is an expression of life in the medium of a language. It is the well expression of life or society, or we may call the mirror of society in the medium of a language. The language may be regional, may be colloquial. Now basically here I am talking about the English literature. Okay. Apart from British literature, we have American literature, Canadian literature, African literature, Indian English literature, etc. Now come to its source, where from the word literature came. Its Latin root literatura derived itself from the word literera, that means letter or handwriting, was used to refer to all written accounts. The word literature came from the word literera, which means the letter or handwriting. We previously known about the definition of literature, where we got the definition that any piece of writing having its artistic or intellectual value, that is called literature. Okay. Now here the question comes, why do people need to learn English literature, or what benefit does English literature give to the reader? Let's have a look upon the objectives of studying literature. Here are few objectives mentioned, like enrich knowledge and wisdom. Next, to achieve aesthetic and moral values. Next, to enhance critical thinking and skill development, like listening, speaking, reading, writing. These are the skill development factors that develop through the studying of literature. Next, to explore the past. Next, to raise awareness. Also, the psychological satisfaction. These are the objectives of studying literature. Now, come to its types. Literature is basically divided in three types, that is poetry, prose, drama, which subdivides again, like in poetry we find epic, sonnet, ode, ballad, etc. In prose we find short story, essay, fiction, non-fiction, etc. In drama we find tragedy, comedy, etc. Okay, we will deal it later. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like the video, please let me know your comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.